Now, how do you import photos to Lightroom on the iPad? Let's get started. The first step is to naturally make sure you have the Lightroom app installed and ready to be used. So if not, you can go to the App Store and essentially just download it to your iPad. The next step would be to open up the Settings app of your iPad, scroll down to the Apps section entirely at the bottom, and you're going to be able to see a couple of different settings, and you just need to ensure that the photos right there is given the full access. It just means that the app can access your local photos on the iPad, and therefore it can actually work with them and edit it, right? It is necessary to just have that available. But essentially on your iPad, once you are inside the Lightroom application, as usual, you can just import the photos as you know without any issues, because you can open up the app and go to the device section at the bottom and select any photo which you want to edit, right? You can just select it like this, and you then can perform all of your edits as usual. So you can obviously just change the light and color and all of that, but we can do this because the device has access to it. So that's it from me. Obviously, you can also access it from the cloud in case you use like your photos on the Lightroom cloud, right? But if you want to edit those from the device, you have to do what I've just shown you. So let me know if it worked for you. Thanks a lot for watching and stick until the end. Most definitely subscribe for more, and I'll catch you later.